Hey guys, today I will show you how to hide and unhide apps on your iPhone device. So let's say that I've got my Chess app down here. Let's say that I want to quickly hide it. So I'm going to press and hold it, and then I'm going to tap here on Require Face ID, and then I'm going to tap on the second option which says Hide and Require Face ID. Simply position your face, hide Chess, and tap on Hide app. Chess has vanished. This is how you can hide apps on your phone. And in order to unhide your app, simply slide to the right here, all the way to your app library. And I'm unable to find Chess, right? Chess is not available in here. And in order to unhide, you just need to go down and then tap here on Hidden at the inferior right corner. Now here, if I tap on Chess, it's going to ask me for my Face ID. If I position my face, then only it's going to open up real quick. So in order to unhide, which is the main point of the video, you just need to press and hold here on Hidden and tap on Don't Require Face ID, and then put your Face ID on. And this should hide the app. Now, please note that this won't bring Chess back to the home screen yet. If you want to bring it back to the home screen, you need to go back to your app library. Search for Chess down here. Simply press and hold it and drag it all the way here to your home page. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.